When you follow specific content, you'll get an email notification every time it has been updated. From the drop-down next to your file, page, task or event, you can select Follow. You'll automatically follow content if you're the one uploading a file, creating a note, task, event or posting a related comment. As you can see, once the content has been updated, you'll receive your notification within your portal and through email. You can also receive notifications when your username is mentioned in a comment. You can start by typing the @ symbol, followed by typing their username, adding your comment and publishing. The recipient will get a notification through their Clinked portal and will be able to do the same, sending you a notification. Clinked lets you enable push notifications from your browser and your mobile device, providing you have the iOS or Android app downloaded. The mobile app instantly notifies you when content is updated, mentions are used, and group chat messages are sent. Within personal settings, you can decide on the frequency of receiving email notifications, choosing from immediately, daily, weekly, or never. These are set for all groups as standard, but you can make adjustments if necessary. Account administrators can control notifications preferences from within individual group settings. If you'd like to find out more, head to our website at clinked.com.